In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Intercom Messenger color. Brand consistency matters, and Intercom makes it easy to align your messenger with your company's look and feel. When you update your messenger's color palette, you'll see it reflected in the top header background, buttons, links, and other action highlights, and even the launcher, the little chat bubble customers click to start a conversation. We'll make these updates in the appearance settings so everything looks cohesive and on brand. Start by opening your Intercom dashboard and logging into your workspace. Once you're in, head to your Messenger settings. You'll find them by going to Settings, then Channels, then Messenger. Choose Web and look for the Appearance area, sometimes labeled Style Your Messenger. This is where all the visual customization happens. Now it's time to choose your colors. Begin with the background color, which controls the header background at the top of your messenger. Pick a shade that complements your brand while leaving enough contrast for text to be easily readable. If you have brand hex codes, use them to ensure an exact match. Next, set your action or accent color. This is the most visible brand touchpoint across your messenger. Think buttons, links, and highlights. It often carries over to the launcher color, so select something that's distinctive and accessible. A bold accent can improve clarity and click-throughs, but avoid colors that clash with your background or make text hard to read. If your brand palette is light, consider a darker accent for contrast, and vice versa. If logo color options are available in your workspace, choose the version that looks best against your selected background, typically a light or dark variant. The goal is to keep your logo crisp and legible without overpowering the interface. As you make changes, use the live preview on the right to see how everything comes together in real time. Check a few different screens in the preview to confirm that buttons, links, and the header all feel unified. If anything looks off, fine-tune your background and accent selections until the interface is clear, inviting, and unmistakably yours. When you're happy with the preview, click Save and Set Live. This publishes your updated color scheme to your messenger so customers see it right away. And that's it. Your Intercom Messenger now reflects your brand identity with a consistent, polished color palette. You can revisit these settings anytime to refine your look as your brand evolves.